Is it not only me again today? Is it not only me? Only me. The only one that is here. Morning. They put only me. They say it's only me weak. That only me. Welcome to Party Show. They say it's only me that is going to do it today every time. Welcome. We'll go and break. When we come back, we'll now continue. Go on break now. Go on break now. Okay, I could just give you the first gist of the day, and this particular one concern this particular thief. Make I give you gist where they for inside our Obodo, Nigeria, where happen for inside the city of Lagos. Okay, anywhere where you there, you go there familiar with the city of Lagos, the Yaba area of Lagos. Now in this particular one happen. Now, excuse me, forgive my voice. I know really too. Now that small cry when I cry, and I enjoy off everything. All right, so this particular two people, then be thief, then be thief phone. Make I tell you how they take operate according to one of them. The first one, in name na Ufoma Akpan, 22 years old, and Augustine Omedo, 20 years old, where they go thief for Abule Oja for inside the Yaba on 13th of October, and that one happened. Now, one of the guys talk, say in parents must not know, say, now waiting then catch them for Bidatu. Now, the Rapid Response Squad, RRS, now then catch them. They say, if they beg them, say, I beg. Anything what I want to do, make my papa, my man don't know. Say na phone at the thief. They call us and say why? He say because he come up for secondary school. He no pass jam. He can't come up for secondary school because he no passing exam. Now the mama and papa come bring her con Lagos, making con they do generator learning for one of him uncle place. Now he come out from Indokwa local government area for inside Delta State. He can't talk say as them bring her con the place. Say he no too bad all those apprenticeship thing. All those apprentice things, say it's too hard for him. Before he come meet him friend, Augustine, we can introduce him to how to take thief. Now, he said that they don't they thief this phone for the past 10 months. How did they do and be said then go enter the shop? When they enter the shop, if they notice, say, they look, they go quick pick up phone, watch, money, anything valuable where they see. So the people then don't they call police, say, come. People don't they worry us for this area. If you go sell something, they go just pick your money, pick your phone, pick your everything. But they enter under the disguise to buy something. So they always, that means say their target now like shops. You understand? Where then they sell something. So they go enter, pretend like saying, I then want to buy something. And then thief this particular thing. So now so it take happen, they don't catch them. They say they don't thief over 70 phones. Over 70 phones. Now then don't thief. Now so the story be. So I beg, for those of now where they sell something, where be saying now waiting and they do. Make you try to watch your goods. Try to put eye for your goods and be careful. Not be everybody will enter. We won't come buy something. Now it mean you good thing. Not be everybody will won't come buy something. Now it mean you good thing. So take God name beg you. Make una try. Make it they look after your goods. And for you when you say no, may your papa no say you be thief. Thought you be thief. You be thief, oh. You be thief because now another thing they send you go. In company, later now, he say now devil push him. May them forgive him. Now devil push him. Uncle, if devil they tell you do something, you know if you talk no. You know if you talk no. Now let me wound you with this my voice when you pure. You understand? So now so it be simple and short. When devil push you something, take your willpower. Beg God, talk no. They say may your parents no. Then go no now. Then go now, they no go no when you don't full paper finish. Anyways, now the first story when I get for you, make I give you another one, or make I know even know, make I go break, come back, give you another. I don't even know as they do me today. I don't know. It be like I go just go break. Make I give you another one. I take God name beg you. More go one break. After that break, I made them play musical video. I insist on a musical video, and then we continue on top of the matter. Thank you very much. All right, welcome back. Now, it gets one particular video we've been playing yesterday. Yes, I think it's yesterday. And people don't they ping, they tweet, they send email, say they won't watch that video again. So based on popular demand, we could just give you this video real quick. We can have to take understand. Don't worry yourself about the voice. You see this voice? Don't worry, just imagine, say the voice clear. You understand? The cutest. She is just, oh, she's so cute. All right, now people say we could play them for them over and over and over. Today, Friday, anything goes. Weekend, 9 be the level where we did. So we decide to switch it up a little bit, give you a bit of music, give you small gist, give you something to make you happy, give you something to cool your mind, because thank God say na Friday. But please take a music for road, take a music for your groove, and do not drink and drive. From Paddy Paddy, we love you so much. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. Follow the station at Wazobia TV NG on top Instagram. Follow me at Mayawa Lambe. Follow Ogbolo at Ogbolo. And everything will be well with you. So from the stables of Paddy Paddy, have an amazing weekend.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.